biodiversity, a concern that is both urgent and existential. Currently, millions of plants and animal species are at risk of extinction. This is because of human activities. Young people have a role to play in preventing the loss of biodiversity and preserving the nature for our future. Thank you.
Myself Mahendra Prasad Behera, Assistant Training Officer, Government ITI, Hirakud. Today is World Environmental Day, so I am going to something about the World Environment Day. It is celebrated on 5th June every year. What is the aim of World Environment Day? Its aim is to raise global awareness about our environment, to raise awareness about protecting the environment, and to remind the people not to take nature granted.
Namaskar. World Environment Day is one of the biggest events celebrated in world every year. It is the people's day to do something to take care of the earth and environment. It is really important to know the ways to protect the environment. For healthy living, environment plays an important role. It provides us with air, food, etc. The environment is just like our neighborhood. Its surrounding conditions influence us and modify growth and development. So it is necessary to understand the importance of environment.
For money and progress, we are polluting our environment. Really, we are destroying our planet. If we will pollute like this, then the day will come, the polluted environment will destroy us, destroy each and everybody's life. So please save environment and save your own life.
Every year on June 5th and was created to inspire people around the globe to become active about the environment.
It is our responsibility to save our environment and earth so we can live healthy and happy.
तो व्हाट इज बायोडाइवर्सिटी? इस दुनिया में कुल मिला के 30 लाख से 10 करोड़ के आसपास प्रजातियां रहते हैं। अगर हम किसी एक प्रजाति के जीवों के साथ किसी दूसरे प्रजाति के जीवों को कंपेयर करेंगे तो उनमें कुछ सिमिलरिटीज निकलेंगे और कुछ डिसिमिलरिटीज निकलेंगे। तो जो डिसिमिलरिटीज निकलेंगे उसे हम कहते हैं जैव विविधता और बायोडाइवर्सिटी।
The best way to do this is reforestation, which is refers to the replanting trees to allow the forest to grow its trees back. It is essential to restore biodiversity on the world. Let's nurture the nature so that we can have a better future.
अगर हम पर्यावरण को बचाएंगे तो हम पर्यावरण को नहीं, हम अपने आप को बचाएंगे। अगर आने वाली पीढ़ी के बारे में हम नहीं सोचेंगे तो आने वाली पीढ़ी हमें कभी माफ़ नहीं करेगी।